In today's video, we'll explore the alarming fire risks facing Los Angeles as the city braces for another week of high danger. With wildfires already ravaging the area and major blazes threatening communities, it's crucial to understand the underlying factors contributing to this precarious situation. We'll delve into the roles played by the Santa Ana winds, persistent dry conditions, and the impact of La Niña on rainfall patterns. Join us as we assess the current risks and what lies ahead for the upcoming weeks. 1. Wildfires ravage Los Angeles area. The Los Angeles metro area found itself engulfed in a fiery crisis as wildfires continued their destructive march on Friday. This devastating scenario prompted mandatory evacuations and resulted in widespread school closures, further deepening the community's distress. Despite the community's hopes for relief, the forecast into next week offers little comfort. Conditions remain alarmingly conducive to the growth of existing wildfires and the emergence of new ones. The persistent gusty winds coupled with unusually dry weather continue to nurture this perilous situation, leaving Los Angeles residents on high alert. 2. Major blazes threaten the city. As of Friday morning, officials identified 5 major blazes wreaking havoc across the Los Angeles area. The Palisades Fire, stretching through Pacific Palisades and Malibu, has devoured over 20,000 acres, while the Eden Fire in Altadena has expanded to more than 10,000 acres. The scale of destruction is staggering, with an estimated 10,000 structures reduced to ashes and at least 10 lives tragically lost. In the face of such destruction, the community is grappling with the profound loss and the challenge of rebuilding shattered homes and lives. 3. The ingredients for disaster. The formula for favorable fire weather is a perilous trifecta of dry vegetation, low humidity, and strong winds. This dangerous mix has allowed fires like the Palisades Fire and Eden Fire to spiral beyond control earlier in the week. The combination of these elements creates a tinderbox environment where even the smallest spark can rapidly escalate into a raging inferno. Firefighters, despite their relentless efforts, have found themselves battling against nature's fury, with limited success in containing the flames. 4. Help on the ground. Despite the daunting challenges, fire crews have made progress in containing the fires. Reinforcements from out of state have bolstered local efforts, and the replenishment of water supplies in hydrants has provided a crucial lifeline. Additionally, the temporary drop in wind speeds has aided firefighters in their battle against the blazes. Earlier in the week, the high seasonal Santa Ana winds had thwarted firefighting aircraft operations, preventing the use of water and fire retardant chemicals. However, the respite is brief, as predictions indicate the winds may pick up again, posing renewed challenges to firefighting efforts. 5. High fire risk continues. The Storm Prediction Center, a division of the National Weather Service, has issued a sobering forecast, indicating that the risk for fire conditions will remain elevated across Los Angeles as the weekend approaches. Meteorologists anticipate the possibility of 2 moderate Santa Ana wind events in the coming days, one expected early on Sunday and another potentially on Tuesday. These gusts could exacerbate the spread of existing fires and ignite new blazes, further straining the resources of firefighters and emergency responders. 6. Understanding Santa Ana winds. A Santa Ana wind event occurs when there is a pressure difference between the Great Basin, spanning Nevada and Utah, and the coastal communities around Los Angeles. Meteorologists often rely on the air pressure differential between Las Vegas and Los Angeles to predict these winds. A more significant pressure difference generates stronger winds rushing toward the coast, intensifying wildfires. This is the scenario forecasters predict could materialize in the coming days, reigniting fears of further devastation. 7. Unusually dry conditions persist. The drought-stricken vegetation across the region remains exceptionally dry, setting the stage for increased fire risk. Despite being in the heart of Southern California's rainy season, rain has been conspicuously absent. Los Angeles International Airport, which experienced its 3rd wettest February on record last year, has reported a mere 0.03 inches of rain since the start of last summer. The lack of precipitation has left the landscape parched, creating a dangerous environment where fires can easily take hold and spread. 8. La Niña's impact on rainfall. Adding to the challenge is the official announcement by NOAA's Climate Prediction Center that we have entered La Niña, a weather pattern characterized by colder than normal water temperatures in the Pacific Ocean around the equator. La Niña influences atmospheric conditions, causing the jet stream to shift northward over the eastern Pacific Ocean. This redirection of storms into Canada's west coast leaves the western United States, including California, deprived of much-needed rain. Consequently, the predominant storm track across the Pacific Ocean remains near the Gulf of Alaska, offering few opportunities for rain to reach Southern California. 9. Outlook for the weeks ahead. Forecasters anticipate that a weak La Niña pattern will persist through the end of winter, with hopes that it will dissipate in time for spring. Unfortunately, this timing may align with the onset of Southern California's dry season, prolonging the fire risk. While there may be opportunities for rain in the coming months, the immediate forecast offers little hope for meaningful precipitation through at least mid-January. As a result, vegetation will remain exceptionally dry throughout the region, sustaining the ongoing risk for new fires and further fire growth. The combination of low humidity, gusty winds, and potential Santa Ana wind events presents a formidable challenge for the weeks ahead.